Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about nesting patterns. Goal: call functions from another functions. We're going to skip all of the middle and move to 1, 2, and 3. 1. Define the solve stir function calling turn around inside of it. 2. Call solve stir along with the other function you need. 3. Solve the puzzle by collecting all 4 gems. So he's going to be in front of a gem and we're going to use the function solve stir. So he's going to be in front of a gem, so you will have to move forward. Then we have to collect the gem. After this, we will turn around, then move forward, move forward. Now we're on the other gem. We will collect the gem, then we'll turn around. Because if we didn't turn around, we'll keep moving forward. It's not going to do anything. Then after this, turn around. We'll have to move forward. Then we have to turn left or right. I'll go with left. And then after this left, we'll have to move forward. Now we're on the gem. Then we have to collect the gem. Turn around. Move forward 2 blocks. Then after this, we'll be on another gem. We will collect the gem. And then let's now run the code. As Bite's moving, he's collecting all the gems and running up the staircase. Well, not really running up, just walking. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And also leave a like. Bye!